Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all markers in Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro. So here you can see different markers. So if you want to delete one marker, so you simply need to select that, click the right mouse cursor, and here you can see different options. So you need to click on clear selected marker, and here you can see that marker will be removed. But how you can remove all? So you simply need to click the right mouse cursor here and click on clear markers. So now you can see that all markers are now removed. So how you can remove markers from video clip? So you simply need to double click on the video clip to open that in source monitor and click here the right mouse cursor, and here you need to click on clear markers. So now you can see that all markers are removed from here as well. So this is the process how you can delete all markers in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.